All right, let's go find Standard. Welcome back to Get Lowered Cycles. Today we're gonna go find our man Hap. So he went to go to the dentist and we got bored sitting in the office waiting for him to get back, so we're gonna go find him. Got Mike on the 07 Flame bike and I'm taking the 08 King. Hopefully we pass him and then we can just go for a little ride. But like we said, we were chilling out in the office today. I was editing videos, getting stuff together, but it is too gorgeous out not to go for a ride. But yeah, me and Mike were sitting in the office just bored out of our minds and we were like, I wonder where Standard's at, where he goes to the dentist. So now we're gonna go try to do a little scavenger hunt and find him. Hopefully we run into him and we get to go for a little afternoon ride, because it is absolutely gorgeous here in PA. But we got we've narrowed it down to like 3 dentist offices, so hopefully we find the right one. We don't know what dentist he's at, so we're just guessing.
They're so bad.
They're pretty ugly.
I hate them. They feel terrible too.
I'm sure they're like really big. Other than that, the bike's sick. Yeah. Also, it's just a great excuse to go ride with the homie. I want to text him and be like, yo, what dentist office you at? Because that wouldn't be fun. Where is Standard? We need to find him. This one, I feel like there's a good potential because it goes towards... My man, he is a pretty simple guy, so I feel like he wouldn't be going anywhere crazy. What I'm hoping is that we run by him, because that would be top 10 experience. O-E! Where are you? Also, I got a new ND filter on the DJI Action 6, so you have to let me know how it looks. It's a nice sunny day. We got the ND16 on here, so I'm really curious on how that looks. I see people run ND filters all the time, and I haven't, and I'm curious. I bet it looks so much better. If you don't know what an ND filter is, it's pretty much like sunglasses for your camera. That's pretty much it. Oh, that's some potholes. Hey, you done. All right, we're gonna be turning up here, and then we're 5 minutes away, so hopefully we see his ass. It would make sense that it's over here. I do see a bike over there. I don't think it's him, though. Making a left here. It's not him, it's an adventure brother. We gotta find my man! Where is he? We're 2 minutes away. Could be completely wrong. That bike is sick. We actually just picked that up. If you guys saw our last video, we went up all the way up in the Poconos to get that bike. Keep a lookout because we are going to be doing a build in that. Ow! He texted me! He's back at the shop! All right. So he made it back before us. Guy ruined the surprise. Whoa. Oh. Slowest one wins. Come on. Oh, come on. It's a competition. Oh, come on. Come on. Do you think he's in there?
He's been here the whole time.
In the office? I'm gonna go get his butt right now.
Go get that.
Freaking guy had me driving all around town just to find out he's exactly where I left him. You've been here this whole time?
No. You were here the whole time.
Where were you?
You knew I was busy.
I drove all around town, multiple dentists,
No, you didn't.
just to find you, and you're just sitting here all nimby blimbly, thinking you're the man.
That is not true.
We'll see about that.
I came.
We're gonna go for so many rides without you.
Yeah, I bet you are. Thanks for the invite on that one.
We were coming to find you.
You didn't invite Nick.
He had a truck.
Yeah.
Sorry, Nick.
Okay.
Me and he just got done work. Now we're gonna ride home, see what we see. Hello. I think they want to say hi. A little wheelie. Either way. I don't know. Nice to see. Woo!
That's it for today's video. I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you check out getloweredcycles.com for all your motorcycle and part needs. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Till next time, y'all. Peace.